Varsha Kirpekar Edlagatkar, MBBS DGO. I have come with yet another video. This time the subject is other than gynec. Obviously we are going through the corona pandemic, so it is about the COVID disease. The COVID disease is not just a respiratory disease, okay? It's a vascular disease. It is affecting the blood vessels of our organs, mainly the blood vessels supplying to the lungs, and also the blood vessels supplying to the kidneys, the heart and the brain. So it can cause the respiratory failure as well as the multisystemic organ failure. That's why it's a deadly disease, okay? We have to fight it. All the senior citizens, the adult population, and now it is said that in the third wave the children, all are at risk of this COVID. Okay. Especially the senior citizens with comorbidities like diabetes mellitus or hypertension or heart disease, they are greater risk with corona. If they get the infection, the outcome may not be favorable. Okay, in spite of the good treatment, they succumb to the disease. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss about corona and diabetes. In diabetes, there is altered immune functions. Okay, so even if the patients have taken 2 doses of the vaccines, there may not be sufficient antibodies in diabetic patients, and if they get the corona, this can die due to the severe COVID disease. This is not against vaccination. Everybody must take the corona vaccination. Okay. Here the role of diabetologists is also very important. Nowadays the physicians are very important for corona pandemic. They have a lot of good role to play to help the patients to come out of this deadly disease. But I have noticed that the diabetologists or the physicians who are treating these chronic conditions are not properly advising the patients. I am sad to know or observe about this. Whenever a ANC patient, that is a pregnant patient, comes to us, we know that she is going to come to us for 9 months. We tell her about the proper follow-up visits. Until 7 months she has to come every month, then until 8.5 months she has to come every 15 days, and then weekly she has to come until delivery. This is properly explained. Before conception also, I ask my patients to take folic acid and vitamin B12 supplements 3 months before conception. This is to avoid congenital malformations in the fetus. So patient is not knowing all these things. It is the duty of the doctor to tell spontaneously to the patients. Similarly, the physicians or the diabetologists should tell their patients about proper follow-up visits. Only checking the fasting blood sugar, post-meal blood sugar and the HbA1c is not sufficient. With the anti-diabetic drugs it may be normal, but diabetes causes damage to the organs, to the vital organs like kidneys, the heart, the brain and also the blood vessels of the lower limbs, etc. So the proper investigations are must. Yearly ECG or 2D echo or some serum creatinine, blood urea, it should be done. Ophthalmic examination is a must. Sometimes color Doppler of the lower vessels of the lower limbs. So this should be done yearly. So the follow-up visits should be advised to the patients every 6 months or every year, etc. Okay. And patient should also listen to the doctor's advice. Patient should also not say that I am perfectly normal, I don't require these investigations. It is not so. Don't believe the Satyamev Jayate like stuff. Okay? Believe to the medical personnel. And also the medico should tell their patients spontaneously about importance of these investigations, importance of the follow-ups. My mother's diabetologist has also not told all these things properly to her, and due to which I am at great loss. So other patients should not suffer. They should know about this is the purpose of this video. Okay. Second thing at present that is going on is the war between the allopathic doctors and Ayurvedic doctors. Okay. We are here to cure the patients, and patient also wants to get cured. He is not interested in knowing which medicine is being used. If in a certain condition the Giloy is useful for improving the hypoxia of the patient, it should be used. For that purpose, allopath should respect the Ayurvedic doctors. Ayurvedic doctors should respect the allopathic doctors and also the homeopathic doctors. You can all use these pathis simultaneously for the synergistic effect for the benefit of the patients. And what we are seeing, there is a war between doctors, like Bharat-Pakistan war or a Bharat-China war. If this is the case, we don't require any other enemy. We are fighting among ourselves, like IMA and Ramdev Baba. So the common public is confused. Every medicine has a side effect. The allopathic medicines which are being used nowadays in treating COVID, that is antivirals like Fabiflu or Remdesivir and steroids, all have their side effects. Each medicine which has got an effect also has a side effect. So we have to tackle it. We have to handle it properly. Similarly, the Coronil which is used in corona can cause digestive problems in the patient. But it should be treated. We want to cure the disease and we want the good outcome of the patient. Okay. So continue to take care against corona. Take care of the children. The Delta Plus variant is going to come now. We do not know which medicine or which vaccine is going to act against this variant. This is a new disease for everyone, for common public also and also for the doctors. So we have to work synergistically with cooperation and with trust upon each other. Okay, so take care, be safe and be healthy. Bye.